Hey guys, welcome back to another episode on How to Crypto. In this video, I will show you how you can get logged into your Yellow Card crypto wallet. Follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to learn how to do it. Now before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any future upcoming videos from our channel. Now let's jump into the video. Firstly, tap and open the Yellow Card app. And there you will find this type of interface on your screen. Now in here, tap on login button in order to get logged into your account. And once you tap on it, you will take into its login page. Now here you have to type in your phone number and the password of your account. You can tap on this eye icon to reveal and confirm the password. And if in case you have forgotten your password, you can recover it by tapping on forget your password link. Now once you're done with typing in your credentials correctly, tap on next button. And in the next page, you will ask to type in your OTP and then tap on continue button. And once you tap on continue button, you will successfully get logged into your Yellow Card crypto wallet. Now that's all for this video. Hope you liked and found this video useful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.